Did you know that a healthy soil mix can boost your plant growth by up to 50%? Crazy, right? If you're looking to transform your garden and give your plants the best chance at thriving, stick around. Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of soil, specifically, how to create the perfect soil mix for your plants. A good soil mix is essential for gardening success, and trust me, you won't want to skip this step if you want your garden to flourish. So, let's talk about some common challenges gardeners face when it comes to soil quality. Have you ever noticed your plants wilting, or worse, just not growing at all? Poor soil is often the culprit. Many gardeners use store-bought soil that doesn't have the right nutrients, or they might not have the right drainage. This can lead to waterlogged roots or nutrient deficiencies, which can really hinder plant growth. It's frustrating, I know. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. By creating your own soil mix, you can tailor it to meet the needs of your plants, ensuring they get the nutrients and support they need to thrive. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes up an ideal soil mix. First, we want a solid base, and that's where potting soil comes in. Aim for about 50% of your mix to be potting soil. This provides a nice foundation for your plants. Next, we'll add compost. Compost is like a superfood for plants, packed with nutrients. You'll want about 30% compost in your mix. This will help improve soil fertility and promote healthy root development. Now, to ensure good drainage and aeration, we're going to add perlite. About 20% perlite will do the trick. This lightweight material helps prevent soil compaction and keeps the roots from sitting in too much moisture. So, to recap, 50% potting soil, 30% compost, and 20% perlite, that's your dream team for a perfect soil mix. Now for the fun part, mixing it all together. Grab a big bucket or a wheelbarrow, and let's get started. First, measure out your potting soil and dump it in. Next, add your compost, and finally, toss in the perlite. Now, here's the key, use a shovel or your hands to mix it all up really well. Make sure the ingredients are evenly distributed so that every plant gets the same benefits. Once you've got a nice, homogeneous mix, you can fill your pots or garden bed with this amazing soil. Just look at that transformation. You've just created the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. So, there you have it. By using this perfect soil mix, you're setting your plants up for success, leading to healthier growth and a thriving garden. Remember, the right soil can make all the difference in your gardening journey. I'd love to hear about your experiences with soil mixes. Drop a comment below and let me know what works for you. And don't forget to check out my other gardening videos for more tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone!